Why do you cry in sad movies, feel nervous before exams, or get random deja vu? Believe it or not, your brain is writing stories behind the scenes every second. Ever laughed at a meme? Then instantly regretted procrastinating. That's your brain and mind in action, constantly pulling you in different directions. But have you ever asked, why? Welcome to the world of psychology, where we decode those stories, the why behind every what you do. Hi, I'm Swati, and you're watching Cognitive Chronicles, your go-to series if you're curious about the brain, behavior, and how technology is reshaping psychology. In this episode, we'll cover the basics of psychology, neuropsychology, how your brain and behavior connect, and even explore which part of your brain might be making you binge watch reels at 3 a.m. What is psychology? Psychology is the scientific study of behavior and mental processes. In simple terms, it asks, why do we think, feel, and act the way we do? From exam stress to overthinking crushes to having random dreams, psychology studies it all. It covers everything from memory, emotion, attention, personality to problem solving. And no, it's not just about treating mad people. That's an outdated stereotype. Modern psychology includes fields like sports psychology, cognitive psychology, forensic psychology, and yes, neuropsychology. Now let's zoom into neuropsychology, a super cool specialization where psychology meets the brain. It studies how damage, diseases, or development of the brain affect your thoughts, memory, and behavior. For example, if someone forgets words after a head injury or starts showing odd behavior after a stroke, a neuropsychologist figures out what's happening in the brain. It's used in rehabilitation centers, hospitals, research labs, and even in designing brain training games. How the brain and behavior connect. Every thought you think, every emotion you feel, every action you take, it all starts in your brain. Psychology tells us what you're doing. Neuropsychology tells us how your brain is doing it. Say if you're angry, psychology explores your triggers, while neuropsychology looks at your amygdala, firing up and sending stress signals. Let's quickly tour the most important areas of your brain. Frontal lobe, for planning, decision-making, self-control. Think, resisting that last samosa. Parietal lobe, for touch and spatial awareness, like when you type without looking. Temporal lobe, for memory and hearing. Why you remember your favorite lyrics but forget passwords. Occipital lobe, for vision and visual processing. Everything your eyes see gets decoded here. Cerebellum, for balance and coordination. Try walking in a straight line blindfolded. This guy's doing the work. Amygdala, for fear and emotions, responsible for exam panic or movie jump scares. Hippocampus, for learning and memory. Your brain's filing cabinet sometimes misplaces things though. In India, mental health is still misunderstood, but our generation is changing that. Neuropsychology is growing fast in brain research, hospitals, even tech startups. You could help diagnose Alzheimer's, study stress in school kids, or create AI tools to predict mental illness. And you just need a curious mind, empathy, and willingness to understand people and brains. So if you're ready to explore how your brain shapes your reality and how tech like AI is merging with psychology, hit that subscribe button. In the next episode, we'll break down what artificial intelligence really means and how it's helping decode the human mind. Like and share to spread awareness. Subscribe for more insights into mental health and psychology. Thank you.